Hi, it's Becky with Icing on Top Becky's Cakes, and today we're gonna make this super cute Easter cake, and I'll show you how to stack it and stuff. And first we're gonna fill this glass bowl with some of my favorite Easter candy, which is this candy coated Cadbury eggs. I'm gonna place a plastic cup in the center. You can place anything in the center. This is just so you don't have to fill it up all the way. But if you have that much candy, then go ahead and fill her up because this is going to be supported completely, and I'll show you how to support it just like you would if you're making a tiered cake. Now I've already showed you all those instructions, so I'm not going to repeat it. I'll put the link down below though, how to support and fill a cake. I've done that tutorial, so I'll show you how I even put those straws in. But yes, you want to make sure that those straws are in there and leveled. I have 3 straws to support this, and it completely supports this glass jar just like it would a cake. So again, don't forget your supports, and I'll put the link down below if you're not familiar with putting in smoothie straws for your cake supports. Then on top of that, we're going to place these little 4-inch cakes, and that is also on top of a cardboard cake circle, and that supports those. Make sure it's centered before we start piping. Now, in the spirit of all these lovely colors, I'm going to be piping right here with multiple colors in my piping bag, and I have a large French tip, and I am piping just below that cardboard circle so that it completely covers it and makes it look really seamless with the cake. So I'm just piping down, and then I pull up with it, and I'm kind of giving the illusion of this little white Easter egg being hidden in all these colors. So then that is just a large round writing tip, like a size 10. And then I'll pipe 4 more of these colorful strips, and then pipe another white strip. And then for the next row, I'm going to stagger it when I do it so that they fit in between each of these piping tips. Now, if you're wondering how I did the multiple colored in the piping bag, I will also put a link for that tutorial down below, so look for it. It's how to pipe multiple colors of frosting, and it's really easy. It's really, you just put it in saran wrap and then you stick it into your piping bag. But I'll show you that in a really quick tutorial, and I'll put that link below just in case you haven't already seen it. But again, I don't like to bore you guys, so I don't repeat certain things that I've already done. But I always try to link to them so that you're not left clueless if you haven't seen it and you're like, what? How did she even get those colors in there? So if you're wondering that tutorial's for you. But yeah, I just thought this was a fun way to give a bright Eastery cake with little hidden Easter eggs throughout it. And it was just a real fun feeling cake, and I enjoyed this. Very top, we're going to use the 233 grass tip, and we're just going to pipe it around in circles, going round and round and round and building up all of this so that it looks like a nest. It in the center, and then I kept piping larger circles all the way around until it was filled, and now I'm going to go onto the outside and build up that outside so that it's taller on the outsides than the inside, so it gives more of that nest illusion there. And this tip is really great for that fun texture, and I also think this would be super fun to do little nest cupcakes. So if you have that idea in the back of your head, this would be a really easy way to make chocolate frosting cupcakes. You stick some eggs on the top like this, and so yeah, there's another idea. You could serve this with cupcakes and have a bunch of little nest cupcakes. But anyway, this was a fun cake, and I thank you so much for joining me today, and happy Easter, y'all, and please subscribe to my channel.